Welcome to Flyfisher-Tech. Today we're going to be building a 3-leg level camo furled line. A 3-leg level line is essentially a traditional rope that is comprised of 3 strands. Each strand is made of multiple yarns. The yarns in our build consist of 3 different colors of polyester embroidery thread. You can get really creative testing out different materials such as nylon and Kevlar, some of which come in a wide variety of colors, all of which can be found at your local craft store for relatively cheap. The first step is to lay out each leg of our furled line. The number of wraps for each leg is dependent upon the material selected and the desired strength, size, and weight of your finished line. I'll be using 2 wraps per leg here. Also note that your completed line will be 10 to 20% shorter than your initial layout length. This part of the process is called the rope walk, or in our case, the line shuffle. I read somewhere that a 3-strand line has less drag than a 2-strand line. I think this is true. If you can imagine a cross-sectional view of each one, 3 strands twisted together would be closer to a round tube-like structure than a 2-strand twist, which would have more of a flat surface area. Think of a ribbon flapping in the wind. These flaps might also cause more of a twisting action in the line. I'm not exactly sure. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I think this whole process is magical, and with the recent discovery of twisted plant fibers found next to Neanderthal remains dated back to some 50,000 years ago, this whole thing is a process that we've been refining on a species level for a very long time. Each strand is going to twist in the same direction to a uniform tension, at which point the strands will start twisting or furling on themselves in the opposite direction. Furled lines are probably the most effortless lines to cast. They do pick up water, however, which can be an advantage in windy conditions, but it's something to keep in mind. At this point, we need to finish up our line. I'll use a small paper clip to remove each leg, tie a stopper knot, and use a piece of backing for a loop. Then we would normally attach a tippet ring to the opposite side using the infamous nitpicker. Unfortunately, I'm out of tippet rings right now. I have some more on order, so I'm gonna leave this paper clip in here as a placeholder to hold everything until I'm ready to complete it. If you would like to see a full-size taper line build, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, subscribe and check out this next recommended video.